What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. We live in the suburbs and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we have a garden, we can things, we do sourdough, we make all kinds of recipes and all that fun stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, welcome. Happy to see you here. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hello. Hope you're having a great day. Missed you. Anyway, in today's video, I thought it would be fun to make a pizza dough recipe. Now, I am going to be following for this video because Jonathan informed me that this is his favorite pizza dough recipe that I have tried so far. We do have an Ooni pizza oven, but you can use this pizza dough recipe for a home oven if you want. But I am getting the recipe from Ooni's app, which again, if you don't have an Ooni, you can still download the app and there's lots of different recipes. There's lots of different pizza recipes on here if you're interested in making different pizzas. So yeah, like for instance, wild mushroom pizza with gorgonzola and thyme. That sounds fantastic. But today I am going to be making, if I can find it, the Neapolitan soft crust recipe. Now, let me actually flip this camera around and show you the different features of this particular app and why it is nice. And then we'll get into actually making the dough. All right, let me flip you over. Okay, so this is the Ooni app right here. You go into it and you can either click down here, you can click on recipes, or you can click on calculator button down here. Like I said, we're going to be doing the Neapolitan one. I like this because I am going to make 4 dough balls, but you can increase your dough balls and it will tell you how much flour, yeast, water, salt you need. You can also adjust your ball weight, which I'm just going to leave it at 285. Seems great. You can also tell it which kind of yeast you're using, which I do need to make a video on sourdough pizza crust, so maybe I'll do that next week. And then also for proofing time, you can do same day, overnight, or 3 days. I do prefer a 3-day proof, but today is the day we're making pizza, so we're doing same day. And then if you want more advanced settings, you can go down here and tell it the hydration, the percent salt you want. I don't mess with that. I just leave it. And then you hit calculate, and it tells you the amount of flour, yeast, water, and salt you need for 4 dough balls of 285 grams. It's pretty cool. It even gives you the directions on how to do it. I did find a website that actually does the same thing. And I've used it 2 or 3 times, and Jonathan still says that this Ooni pizza dough is his favorite. So let's just start with 679 grams of flour. I know a lot of people say to use the it's like the 000, something like that, some kind of flour, which I do have, but I don't have very much. So I'm just going to use an artisan flour that I have, and I'm going to measure out 679 grams of that. All right, now, honestly, I am going to mix, I'm going to put 20 grams of salt in here. All right, now the recipe said 441 grams of water. I'm gonna make sure that's what it says. Yeah, 441 grams of water. So I'm using filtered water. And now I'm just gonna put some active dry yeast in it. I'm gonna do 4.1 grams because that's what it calculated. It doesn't do points, so I'm just gonna add just a little more. And even if I do 5 grams, it's fine. All right, I'm gonna mix this together and then I am going to add it into my bowl with all the flour. All right, I'm gonna mix it and then I'm gonna knead it for 10 minutes. All right, I kneaded it for 10 minutes. And then instead of like putting it back in that bowl, because I know that bowl is too small, I just have like a really large like Tupperware Rubbermaid container that I'm going to smear with olive oil. And I'm gonna let it rise for 4 hours in this. And then we're gonna come back, divide it into 4 balls, and then let those rise for probably another hour, and then we're gonna make pizza. You look so happy.
At least we have awesome. I mess all the cheeses up. Ooh. Messed that all up.
It's okay. Yeah, just eat your pizza.
Eat my pizza?
Yeah, it looks so good.
It does. It looks absolutely delicious. It's like gotten so much better.
Like no flop, yeah? Eat the whole piece in one bite.
Mm-hmm.
It's a 10 out of 10. This is your favorite crust too. I made the Ooni one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell a difference?
A little bit.
A little bit?
It's a little bit more bubbly. It's a little bit lighter. And I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit more like maybe it's just like the bread itself almost gives it like a buttery flavor. I don't know. I don't know. It's
It's
my
just
favorite.
super good. Yeah. I'll use this recipe next time we have people over. See if what they say. But anyways, I'm gonna eat this pizza over here, and we're gonna go make some more pizzas off camera. So yeah, we're gonna go enjoy our Friday. Have a good weekend, everyone, or whatever, you know, whatever you're having when you're watching this. So see you later. Bye.